Kitchen remodeling is a popular way to add value and functionality to your home. However, if not done correctly, it can quickly become a costly and time-consuming process. In this video, we'll go over some of the most common mistakes people make when remodeling their kitchen and how to avoid them. The first mistake people make is not setting a budget. It's easy to get carried away with all the design options and high-end appliances available, but if you don't have a set budget, you can quickly overspend. Make a list of what you need and want in your kitchen and prioritize them. This will help you make informed decisions about where to allocate your budget. The second mistake is not hiring a professional contractor. Unless you're a skilled DIYer, remodeling your kitchen is not something you should take on alone. A professional contractor can help you navigate the process, ensure that the work is done correctly, and help you avoid costly mistakes. The third mistake is buying appliances or fixtures before measuring. When buying appliances or fixtures, it's crucial to measure the space where they will go. Otherwise, you may end up with appliances or fixtures that don't fit properly or require costly modifications to fit. The fourth mistake is not taking into account the resale value of your home. When remodeling your kitchen, it's essential to consider how your choices will affect the resale value of your home. While it's important to design a kitchen that meets your needs, it's also essential to keep in mind that you may eventually sell your home. The fifth and final mistake is not considering storage and organization. A cluttered kitchen can be frustrating to work in and can make it difficult to find what you need. When designing your kitchen, consider the storage and organization options that will work best for you and your family. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can ensure that your kitchen remodeling project is a success. With a little planning and the help of a professional contractor, you can design a kitchen that is both functional and beautiful. Thanks for watching.